Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. It is 5:54 in the morning right now, and I am just gonna review with you guys what we have learned throughout all of my videos. Okay, and I've got a review to a webpage here. I'm not gonna be doing too much, but this is basically what I did: is I typed in all the codes that we have learned, just like this. Okay, and basically, you guys should already know what the headings are. H1 through 6, so this is the heading 1. This is heading 2. This is heading 3. This is heading 4, 5, and 6. Okay? And I'll just show you guys here in the notepad. So this is basically headings 1 through 6. And heading 1 is basically your biggest for a heading. And we're going to now go to break tag. The break tag basically breaks your sentences, breaks pictures, and separates lines. That's basically what the break tag is. They do not need a closing tag for it. This here is the paragraph. As you can see, it looks like it's doing the same exact thing the break tag is doing, but it separates it just the paragraph. So you can put it at the beginning of one paragraph and then go to the end of it and put a P there. And I'm going to go over the text formatting tabs. Basically, the text formatting is bold, italics, underline, and these two I did not go over. This is the subheadings and the subheadings. They use the subheadings. Basically, what they do is they just lower your text below your sentence, and subsettings puts the text above your sentence. If you could tell here, so there's the sub that I used, and then there's the sub. Here's the font style tags. From this big font up to here. Basically, this is the default font, which is Times New Roman. This is the Arial font. And this is the Arial font with a red color. And this is the Arial font with the color red with a +5 size to it. You guys should already know what it does. Basically, font, face, size, and face. Right here. Font face is where you put the text. So basically, you do is you go to format up here and click font, and you could go through all of your fonts that you have on your computer and choose the best one you love. And then there's your color, put in any color you want, and there's a website here that I'll link in the description. And basically, it has codes for every color imaginable. And all you have to do is copy the color code and then paste it into your color. You could do this the same with BG color, and I'll give you an example. I'm going to take the sea green. The number code is the number sign 4E8975. And I'll put it up here in my BG color eagle gray. Paste it. And voila, there is your color. Okay, that's basically it for the font tags, and now we're going down to hyperlinks. If you guys know, as I told you, make sure you have the HTTP or it will not work. I have made full links here, two to an outside and two to a .html. As you can see, I got these two here, and then one example 2 and one example 1. And I want to put in example 1 was, this is the first HTML link, and in the second one, I put, this is the second .html link. Okay. So I'm going to click, this is a link to an outside page, the very first one. And this takes me to google.com. This is another link to an outside page, and this takes me to youtube.com. And then the next two is the link to a .html file. And here we go. See, this is the her.html link. And this is the other HTML link. Let me open that again. See? And this is the second .html link. It's simple to have. You don't have to have a www dot. The only thing that is optional is the HTTP. Now I want to go on to image. As you can see here, I've got the images tag, and I have it shortened by 3 for the height and width 300 by 300. Now if I erase those and I save and I reload, see how big it is? And basically, well, this isn't mine, it's my others. But this is an example. If I put 300 in there and I did it by 300, save, and it shortens it. Okay. Now with the table tag, as I showed you on how to make a table for a table border like this one right here. All you have to do is open your table tag. You can put in a border if you want in the width, and that's it. Open your TR tag, and you can put a line equal middle, but it's not optional. Then open your TD tag and put a little title in it, but do not close the TD tag after you put in the title. Just click enter and open your P tag, and then start typing everything you want. And if you want something like I did here, where it's separate, I got Techie Womanistic Incorporated, P.O. Box 11111, Hollywood, Florida, and that's just numbers I just randomly typed in. And I just simply put a break after each one. It's simple as that. I close the P, close the TD, close the TR, and I close the table. And to make a table, all I simply did was I added a border and a width again. I TR align equals center for the first 5 I did here. I did title 1 through 5, and I closed the TR, and it gave me this result, which is title. And then I made another, I opened another TR, did another 5, and put info 1 through 5. Closed the TR, refreshed, and it gave me info here. And then I made another TR, TD 5 times, example 1 through 5. I closed the TR, and I closed the table tag, and it gave me an example like that. And you can put as many as you want, as long as you keep it up like that. Now, I did not show you guys this. This is the HR tags, and basically what it does is it adds a line through your page, as you can see right here. And I like using that to put links into my, when I have links to places. So that's all you have to do. You do not need a closing tag for the HR. Now I'm going to go over bullets. Basically for a bullet, you need UL and LI, and you gotta close your LI tag and type in. Basically, what I did is I opened the UL tag, LI 3 times. I put apple, orange, and cake, and I closed the UL tag. And the result I got was bullets and circle bullets. I just simply copy and pasted that, and I pasted it. And then in the UL, I put type equals square and leave everything else as it is, and I got, as a result, bullets with squares. And then I just retyped everything. I put OL, LI 3 times, and then close the LL tag. And so I got numbers as a numbering bullets. Okay, and that's basically it for the review. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me and I'll help you out. And I'm just going to refer you to a website which is as helped me with this. It's called w3schools.com. And basically what it is a web page, learning how to create a website page. And it goes with HTML, HTML5, CSS, CS3, and everything else imaginable, JavaScript. If you don't want to learn about HTML, just click HTML, and then here's all of the HTML here. And maybe there's some of this I never even taught you yet. But that's basically it for the HTML review, guys. Leave a like, subscribe. And in my next videos, we're gonna be making a basic web page. Okay, and soon after that, I'll be showing you how to put it online. All right, guys, and I'll be going through how to make a banner, going through how to make the pictures, and all of that. And the first one I'll be making is showing you how to make a banner, guys. All right, I'll see you guys next time. My name is Techie Womanistic. Out.